here making a quick video for you guys. I wanted to show you guys some of my cameras from my camera collection. Just to share with you guys what I have in my collection. This is just going to be a short video giving you an overview of what I have, and I think I'm going to release some videos detailing over each camera. And if you guys want to see me talk about one camera more specifically, just leave a comment. But what we have here is a Polaroid SX70 one-step. This is like a box camera. It's got just a quick overview, really simple camera, fixed focus, plastic lens, shoots SX70 film. Got my two favorite Polaroid SX70 land cameras, the folding kind. This is the original model here and an Alpha 1 model. Really cool. Definitely one of my favorites. This is one of the newer 1/600 Polaroid cameras. Shoots 600 film. It's got a flash in there. We have a Polaroid pack film camera, Polaroid automatic 250. This is a rangefinder focus camera, really cool. Got my Vivitar, this is a rangefinder camera, 35EE, really simple camera, film camera, 35mm film camera. Olympus 35RC, this is a classic rangefinder camera, really cool. My Mamiya C330 twin lens reflex, got two lenses on here, shoots medium format film, really awesome camera, really heavy, and it's a classic. I really love shooting this, although it's huge. And of course, this is my first film SLR camera, my Nikon FE. This was the first 35mm SLR I got. It's just an awesome camera. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick overview of some of the film cameras I've owned. And yeah, I'm going to be releasing a video for each camera. Just going to go over more detail about it and why I like it. So stay tuned.